I'm just filling up some gas. I'm just filling up some gas. Oh, it was so long at jail. It was honestly so boring. What's up, dude?
Oh, hey, man, nice car.
Thanks, you too. They look almost the same, just one's frozen and one's fire.
Yeah, bro.
I can push my car? Dude, that's awesome. Watch this.
Go.
Alright, well, I'm gonna go to my work now. I think I'm full.
Why are we going to work, dude? I'm pretty sure you're still delayed from prison, but it's nighttime.
I work a night shift today. Someone
Alright.
had to call out sick, so I had to go in.
So it's open then?
Yeah. My friend Bad CC's in here. What a weird name.
Yeah. So how much do the donuts cost?
About $2. $2. So if you just drop the $2 and I'll give you a donut.
Gotcha. $2.51.
Oh, thank you. There's your donut, sir. Have a nice day.
You too.
Okay, guys.
Yeah.
So
What a nice gentleman.
we're working at the donut shop today with my friend Bad CC. Cool headphones, bro. Where'd you get them? Oh, you don't want to talk today? Okay. Well, night shift is almost over. I just got a couple minutes left, so I'm just going to sit here and eat my donut while I wait. Oh, I got a green donut today. My favorite color. My favorite type of frosting is pink, but I like green colors. So let's get on our way to the gas station to see how Asimo 3089 is doing today. He probably is I wonder if he fills gas for people or if he just lets them do it themselves. That's a major question that everyone asks. Dude, where did you? Hey, bro, where'd you go? I'm calling you on the phone. Bling bling.
Hello?
Hey, where are you?
Hey. I'm still at the gas station working my shift.
Okay, I'm on my way over there to say hi to Bad CC. Asimo and you.
Alright. Bye, see you here. Ding.
Okay. What's up, dude?
Yeah, just refitting stuff here.
You mind if I buy one of these Cokes? And the fridge over here?
They're back here.
How much do they cost?
It costs $2.51.
Okay, let me get a Coke. Here's $2.51. $2.
No, you have to go right here. You have to do it right here.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Yeah, we don't want our money getting dirty, you know.
Here you go, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, Asimo.
My shift just ended, bro. You wanna go?
Yeah, bro. You wanna just Yeah, we're neighbors.
Yeah. He lives in the house down there, bro.
My bad, bro. I'll pay for
right.
fixes. Oh my goodness, dude. It's so laggy. It's so laggy. My bad, bro.
There's no cops going for the speed.
Yeah.
I need to make extra money, bro.
There's bro, come on.
Right here.
And there's a bank down there, dude. Come on, let's go right here. Oh, dude, there's a laser just for us.
But, dude, I heard that you need a key card for the bank.
Oh, I don't have a key card, bro.
Yeah, me either.
I only have a...
No-clip card?
Sure, let's go with that. I don't have no clip, dude. I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, alright, sorry, my bad.
I definitely don't have no clip.
Dude, I'm telling you, someone just stole your car, dude.
Dude, who just stole my car, bro? I'm just
saw him drive past the criminal.
I'm just playing, bro. That was me, dude. That was me.
Oh man, you pricked me.
Dude, do you wanna? I'll meet you at my house. Do you wanna go to your house or my house?
No, bro, let's drive next to each other.
Okay, I'll wait here at bank for you.
Uh-oh.
Well, bank's open. No one's around.
Well, that was extremely easy. Like, no cops.
Nah, I shouldn't rob it. That's bad. That's why I went to jail, because I got caught robbing the bank.
Oh man, be careful. Okay, where are you?
I'm waiting at bank for you, dude. I see you, bro. I'm gonna hang up, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's go. You wanna drop off at my house or your house?
We're gonna go. No, we're gonna go to each other's houses.
Alright.
My house is a blue one with a nice garage.
Mine's the silver one with the double garage. I think it's silver. Hold on.
No, yours is skin color.
Yeah, no, mine's yellowish. Why do they make these roundabouts? It's honestly just a waste of materials and stuff, and it's just annoying having to go like this to park.
Oh no, they're called cul-de-sacs. They're whenever you want to do a turnaround and make it easier.
I know, but I can understand this in like a neighborhood. I just can't understand in an actual road. I'm on my way over to your house, dude. Oh, sweet car.
Okay. I have a collection. This Mini Cooper is buffed up, bro. It's pretty fast.
Nice.
And in my other house in Miami, I got Porsche, I got Bugatti, Lamborghini, and other fun stuff like ATVs and stuff.
Cool.
Alright, bro. It's morning already, dude. Time goes by so fast.
I know, right?
Hey. Gotta get some gas before, because me and you spent a whole bunch of gas last night, bro. Doing those burnouts.
Yeah.
Let's talk about that.
Well, yeah, I think you just blew it, dude. Dude, why is there a ramp right there? Like, it points right at the gas station. You know what we gotta do now.
Yeah, I got you. Wrong side.
Gotta fill up.
Bro, I'm gonna go expect that ramp.
Yeah, bro, let's go do that while our cars are filling up, because we have invisible maids who fill up our cars. Dude, that's pointed right at it. Like, if you just go fast enough, it'll go straight on it. Or we could go all the way back there by the garage.
Hey, bro, try to find me.
I found you.
Hey, did?
You're right there.
Hey, bro, we're ready.
Alright. Got my soda. And just some good soda. Got my donut.
It's better not mess up my car. Like the other ramp.
I know. Okay, we gotta go now. Let's go, get back here at the garage so we can do this ramp. I'll go first so that then you can't wreck your car. Oh,
whoa,
dude, that was awesome. Okay, I'll go first. I'll tell you if it's safe or not. Gaining some speed. Oh, bro, that is so safe. That's fun. Dude, we're both up on top of the gas station. How is this supporting our weight? These cars are like 500 pounds.
I know, right? Ding, ding, ding. Oh, it's my boss. This is my boss. Be quiet, be quiet, be quiet. Hello, boss? Yeah, why aren't you at work? Oh,
Your voice for the boss.
I'm kinda, I was kinda sick this morning.
No, we're stuck on top of a gas station.
Okay, I'm on my way. I totally forgot about work. I have to
Dude,
go, right?
I think I gotta go too. My boss hasn't called me because he's a little bit less strict, but I think my boss is probably gonna be mad at me whenever he realizes I'm not at work. Bad CC's my boss, by the way, guys. Gotta get there quick.
crashed into the river.
Oh, that sucks, dude. You gotta buy a new car. Hey, why weren't you here today? I'm sorry, sir. Me and my friend were filling up the gas station thing, and they were closed at first, so we had to wait. Well, right across from them. Why didn't you just walk? I don't know, sir. I'm sorry. Well, that's $10 off your paycheck. Okay, sir. I'm sorry. At farmersonly.com. Call today. Bro, that's hilarious. Have you ever seen that commercial on Row TV? What's it called? Row News?
No.
It's really funny. Just waiting out here. Hey boss, I have a question. What is it? Why don't we ever get customers? You'll learn about that in the future, boy. Okay. Wait, why'd you call me boy?
Dad?
Dad? Yeah, Dad? Are you my dad? Yes, I am your dad. Oh my god! Oh, it's like you said stupid. I'm never a father. I'm not your dad.
It's snowing, bro. It's snowing. My boss canceled at work.
Boss, can I leave? It's snowing out. I don't know. I don't see no snow. But look right now. It's snowing. I don't see it. Where'd the snow go? There's the snow. Boss, please. Fine. You got 1 day off. You still lost $10 today, though. Okay, boss. Let me have my money. Hold on. I gotta get it from the cash register. That. Get that. Thank you. Wait, no. You gotta pay $10. Oh, yeah. I'm sorry, dude. I'm sorry, boss. Oh, I had to drop more than $250. Boss, I'll just pay you back later, okay? Okay, fine. Dude, where do you want to meet at?
Let's meet at, I don't know. I have to get a new car since I crashed mine into the river.
I'm gonna hang up for a second, okay?
Alright.
So, guys, we need to try and help, my friend to get a new car. Because he lost his in the thing. So I'm gonna call him back.
I have a car. I got
Shut up, bro! I'm trying to call you! This is terrible. Okay, guys, well, this is part 1. Hope you enjoyed. This is not meant to be serious, but remember to like and subscribe and watch part 2. Thank you.